Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Today we are going to see a very easy recipe of sambar rice. It's a very popular dish in Tamilnadu state, especially in South India. So for this we will take 1 cup of rice and half cup of tuvar dal and we will wash it nicely. In a cooker we will take some oil, especially I prefer sesame oil. To that I will add some mustard seeds, some urad dal and then some chana dal. Let it to splutter nicely. To that I will add some curry leaves. The taste of curry leaves is like Then we will add some onion to it. Fry it nicely, not till golden brown, but at least till that time our onions gets a little soft. We will add some salt to it as per your taste and then we will give it a nice mix. Let the onions get cooked nicely. To that we will add some chilli. This chilli I have taken as per my spiciness. You can add as per your taste. After that we will add 1 cup of tomatoes and the vegetables as you like. I have taken some carrots, some French beans, some brinjal and some drumsticks. You can take the vegetable as per your choice. The more vegetables, the best it will taste. Give the vegetables and everything a nice mix and close the lid and cook it for at least 5 to 7 minutes on medium flame. Once the vegetables are partly cooked, add some turmeric powder and mix it nicely. Doesn't it look so colorful, guys? To this we will add some coriander powder and then our sambar powder. Guys, please wait. Definitely I will show the recipe of sambar powder. I will share to you very soon. After mixing all of them, we will add the tamarind pulp. This tamarind pulp will give the taste of a very tangy taste to the sambar rice. It is the king and it is the main ingredient for sambar rice. Some guys don't like so much of tamarind in the sambar rice, so you can avoid this step. Instead, you can add 1 more tomato to that. Then we will add the water as per the quantity of rice we are taking. For example, if you are taking 1 cup of rice, then you can add 3 cups of water. And we'll add some salt as per the taste. We'll mix everything well. Once the water starts boiling, we will add the rice. Sorry guys, avoid my hand. After we are adding the rice, we'll mix everything together. And then we'll close the lid and we will cook this for at least 3 whistles on medium flame. Ta-da! Our colorful looking sambar rice is ready, guys. Wow! Isn't it looking yummy, guys? It is a very quick, easy and simple recipe, 1-pot recipe, guys. Try this once and do let me know in the comments how it is. And if you like my recipes and if you want to see more of them, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Enjoy, guys. Bye bye.